Hey guys, and welcome to 2025. It's great to be with you. I'm so glad you're riding along in the back seat with us again, and now that everything seems to be in order and Liane's firing on all cylinders and we took care of some other things around the property, it's time to travel a bit. And some good friends of mine in the four-wheel drive club had told me about a little restaurant in top of the mountain here. So come on along with us here as we ride along in part one of this video, and we're going to go up Highway 25, and we're going to stop at a little restaurant, a quaint little place, and it is Cumbre Bonita, and I checked it out on the Instagram, and Cumbre Bonita, Cumbre means summit, and Bonita is pretty, so pretty summit, and it was. We just stopped there and had some snacks and really enjoyed the view, and some beautiful cars pulled up there. My goodness, very nice stuff from Vipers to 2024 Corvettes. And it was a really nice place to hang out for a little while, and I could recommend it for that purpose and a quick meal. A little further into the video here, as we're traveling down Highway 25, you're going to get a good view of the restaurant. I did some video there. Liane took some pictures, and we'll go. So for the meantime, ride along with us and enjoy. As you're riding along the highway with us, just as you can see, the pavement was great and everything. I want to take a moment to remind everybody that I will, well, first of all, to be proper about it, I do want to thank the countless emails that have come in over the last while that I've stopped recording on Something Feels Wrong just because there was too many things going on in our life at the time. But gosh, it's been hundreds of emails, everything from sorry for laughing at you because everything you said came true, and when are you going to start again? So I've been contemplating, now that elections are over and things of this nature, I've been really contemplating kind of looking ahead again and pointing my ideas in the direction I see things going. And of course, I do get my information from sources far smarter than myself, and that's probably why such a high percentage of it is accurate. I think folks on the Something Feels Wrong YouTube channel will appreciate that, and hopefully we don't get censored as much as we used to. But anyway, it's all good, and we're approaching the restaurant pretty quick here, and we're climbing altitude. Somewhere around 1,800 feet right now, so it was pretty, it was clean. Although, to be perfectly honest about it, there are just hundreds of countless beautiful roads and scenery around this country. I can't say this really ranks in my top 25. It's not that there's anything wrong with it, but anyway, we're pulling up to the restaurant, and really a nice place. I should have taken a picture of the menu, but I didn't, so forgive me for that. But they had a wide range of things. I had a couple of small beers and just sat back and enjoyed the view, and just answered a couple of my friends on WhatsApp. Just a good buddy of mine recently went through some medical issues, and I was talking with him. So we just sat back for a good hour and a half, because like I say, when we go away for the day or our small 3-4 night trips, we're in a hurry to go nowhere, as the saying goes. But anyway, glad to hear he's doing well. So everything's fallen into place. It's going to be an interesting year coming up for everybody. So if those of you again interested, I'll be on Something Feels Wrong again, and looking forward to that. Anyway, it was really neat. We were there about an hour and 20 minutes. Then we continued on because I was told about a cut road that goes from Tamboril all the way up to the main highway that's coming from Santiago. And they said I would like it. It has some beautiful views, and it's got some rougher areas. So on the way out there, we passed this party. We found out, I pulled over after I found out that this was just a Sunday get-together and a Sunday somebody's birthday, so that's how, God bless them, the Dominican people are. I mean, there was no shortage of folks, and the music was blaring, and they were all having a great time. Started to leave the main road, and it was neat because they pulled us over. There were three, if I remember right on it. Yeah, there were three, the same model, newer Jeeps, and they were fitted for off-road, and it was just a bunch of guys and a couple of them with their wives, and of course they pulled over old Papa Yoda there, you know, and I, ¿Cuánto año tiene el vehículo? Well, you know, how old is this thing? And I told him it was 36 years old, and I got two Dios Mias and a two Oh My God and a Coño or two, like, and of course one, Cuánto, somebody wanted to buy it, but it's not for sale, and we kept on going and said goodbye to these guys a little further on down the road. They were stopping at a friend's place, and we were just zigzagging to get to the country road that we wanted to be on, and I haven't been on this road, so it'll be interesting. The guys always give me good information. It's not a road that's very difficult, but it is beautiful. So come on along, and we'll see you on the next video to Highway 21. Take care.